y'all niggas didn't. Woo. Let's go. Good. That nigga Blaze gon' break it down, nigga. That nigga Blaze gon' break you down, nigga. That nigga Blaze gon' break you down, nigga. Nigga, for real, you need to check yourself out. You might have to pack your shit, leave your own house, take it down south. I take it out of the town, still thank you, nigga, even when I'm not around. You see the hustle better, Blaze crush you better. It's not small change, nigga, this is bigger cheddar. I done told you, man, Blaze still up in his prime. You ain't even worth my bars, all my rhymes. Nigga, you ain't a hustler, if you are, it's part-time. Nigga, you don't get no bread, you don't got no heads, you don't got no things, you don't got no bling. All you got is a couple of things. Now you talking like you hot in the streets. Know a couple of niggas that ride in Jeeps and hold some heats. You ain't doing it, my nigga, you ain't nothing like me. I'm from Eden World Projects, you know that G. I'm out of town trying to do this, nigga. You trying to screw this, nigga. What you thinking, I won't prove it, nigga. I'm on the block non-stop trying to get it and go. You on the block fucking non-stop, get it and go. I don't understand how you fuck with silly hoes, but I know Blaze know how to get silly dough. I mean 10, 500s, 15, 20s. You got like 500, 1500s. Nigga, use a silly dummy over silly money, silly dummy. Eating world, switch it up to silly bummy. I'm a hustler, been broke for days. I ain't gotta get no braids, I get some waves, nigga.